Are you tired of lumpy smoothies, weak motors, and blenders that struggle with ice? Then don't buy anything yet, because in this video, we're revealing the best mix blenders of 2026 that truly deliver power, performance, and value. This year, blender technology has seriously leveled up. We're talking high RPM motors, precision stainless steel blades, smarter preset programs, and designs built to last for years. Whether you're making protein shakes before the gym, crushing ice for frozen drinks, preparing fresh baby food, or blending hot soups and nut butters, the right blender makes all the difference. But here's the problem. Not every expensive blender is worth it, and not every affordable one is weak. That's why we compared performance, durability, noise levels, build quality, and real-world blending results to bring you the absolute top picks. So before you overspend or choose the wrong model, watch this video till the end, because our #1 recommendation might completely change your mind. Let's dive in. Meet the Oster Extreme Mix Blender, built for serious power. It features a 2 HP turbocharged motor with an anti-jam reversing system, so blending never slows down. The titanium-coated 10-point blade crushes ice and tough ingredients effortlessly. You get a durable 8-cup Boraclass glass jar plus a 24 ounces blend-and-go cup for convenience. Create silky smoothies, creamy milkshakes, or even chunky salsa, exactly how you like it. This is the power to give you more. Next up is the iconic Vitamix 5200, a true professional-grade blender built for serious performance. Powered by a high-performance motor, this machine doesn't just mix ingredients, it completely transforms them. From ultra-smooth smoothies to hot, steaming soups made right inside the container, the Vitamix 5200 delivers consistent, restaurant-quality results. In fact, the blades spin so fast that friction heat can actually warm your soup in minutes. It features hardened stainless steel blades designed to handle the toughest ingredients. Ice, frozen fruits, fibrous greens, nuts, nothing slows it down. Whether you're making creamy nut butter, frozen desserts, protein shakes, or fresh sauces, it blends everything to perfection. The large 64-ounce container is ideal for family meals, batch prepping, or entertaining guests. And with full variable speed control, you can fine-tune texture, from silky purees to hearty, chunky blends. Cleanup is effortless. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap, and it self-cleans in under a minute. Durable, powerful, and built to last for years, the Vitamix 5200 isn't just a blender, it's a long-term investment in your kitchen performance. Next up is the Ninja Professional Plus Blender, built for power and performance. With 1,400 peak watts, this blender doesn't just mix, it dominates. It delivers fast, consistent results every time. The total crushing blade system turns ice into snow in seconds. You get 3 Auto IQ preset programs that do the work for you, plus 4 manual speed settings for complete control over texture. And with its massive 72-ounce XL pitcher, you can blend large batches for the whole family, making it perfect for frozen drinks, margaritas, and ice cream creations. Powerful, versatile, and easy to use, the Ninja Professional Plus is ready for anything you throw at it. Last but certainly not least, meet the Vitamix Ascent X5, where classic performance meets modern, cutting-edge design. This premium blender from Vitamix's Ascent line completely reimagines blending. It comes with 10 automatic blending programs, so whether you're crafting smoothies, soups, sauces, frozen desserts, or nut butters, the Ascent X5 delivers consistent, perfect results every time. And its stainless steel blades tackle even the toughest ingredients effortlessly, turning whole fruits, nuts, and ice into silky textures. Featuring a sleek, intuitive touchscreen control panel, on-screen temperature indicators, and a design built for both style and function, while its compatibility with self-detect containers and attachments adds unmatched versatility. The Ascent X5 delivers iconic blending performance you can rely on. Built to last up to 10 times longer than standard blenders. With a 48-ounce container, it's ideal for single servings, family batches, or meal prep. The self-cleaning program makes cleanup quick and hassle-free. Make drinks, snacks, meals, or desserts, all in minutes, with professional-grade results right at home. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 6 blenders of 2026. From crushing ice to silky smoothies, creamy nut butters, and even hot soups, these machines bring power, precision, and convenience to every kitchen. Whether you're looking for professional-grade performance, long-lasting durability, or quick, easy cleanup, there's a blender here to fit your needs and your lifestyle. So don't settle for weak motors or chunky blends. Choose the right one, elevate your kitchen game, and enjoy perfect smoothies, shakes, sauces, and more every single time. Pick your favorite, blend with confidence, and get ready to transform your cooking and beverage experience.